less than stellar instincts.
Nobody wants a marking dog.
I'll take care of that one.
Here's a health and wellness tip from Banfield Pet Hospital. Grooming is important for maintaining your dog's appearance, but it's also essential for overall health. Knotted hair can pull at your dog's skin, causing pain and irritation. It can also harbor dirt and parasites.